I would recommend and I would second that the data, that is the collection, that is not in the true literate spirit. We'll have to improve. You were asking about the suggestion. The suggestion is that in this era of IT, why these tools are not being used to move to the far-flung area where these forced marriages and all sort of ills are over there. How, when we will move out of this particular five-star hotels and move into the communities at the ends, tail ends, so that we can have the best data. You are talking about that the parliamentarians have reached on those places, but sorry, they do go for their votes, not for the convincing of these addressing the child marriages. If these issues are observed and if they are properly monitored, Pakistan is a country with maximum legislation and low level of implementation. We have to improve the implementation also. These two are the suggestions, and I would like to say, have you reached a point, or what are you doing in this particular scenario? Thank you.
Thank you for your comments. Very brief promises. After this, we are moving to.
That data needs to be translated, not as in translated into regional languages, but data needs